Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn chapter 4 Hypertext Preprocessor, shortly PHP. Content of the session is operators in PHP. First of all, what is the operator? Operator is a symbol which is used to perform mathematical and logical operations in the programming language. So the term is general for any language, whether it is C, C++, Java or PHP or JS, that is your JavaScript. Anything else, the operator term defines it is a symbol and it is used for mathematical and logical operations. It's a simple thing, that is how you add 10 and 20. We simply say 10 plus 20 equal to 30. The plus, it is a symbol. Equal, it is a symbol. That is what you have learnt in your maths. Same thing is going to be implemented in program also. Don't think that it will be big maths program. Don't start with maths miss. Because of maths only we have taken commerce group. Don't say like that. It's very easy and simple thing. If you have learnt JavaScript in your 11th standard in a proper manner, means you will remember this. Anyhow, leave it. We will learn today newly the operators which are present in PHP. The types are arithmetic, assignment, comparison, increment or decrement, logical operators, string operators. It will be very easy chapter only. It is a 5 mark also. So listen carefully. What is arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators in PHP perform general arithmetical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That's you have learnt in your maths also. Plus, minus. Here multiplication is represented with the star symbol or the asterisk symbol. Slash. This is not percentage symbol. It is said to be modulus symbol. I'll explain with the example. Addition, you know, for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This is for getting the remainder during the division. Just have in your mind, modulus symbol is to get the remainder. How it is working, I'll explain in the example. Next, assignment operators. Assignment operators are performed with numeric values to store a value to a variable. It's very simple thing, that is a equal to 10. That equal is said to be the assignment because the 10 a equal to 10 means the 10 value is assigned to the variable a. That is the thing. X equal to y. The value in the y is given to x. It can be written as x plus equal to y. That is x equal to x plus y. In short, we can write as x plus equal y. These are the symbols which can be used along with the assignment operator. Simply assignment operator is equal symbol alone. What is comparison operator? Comparison operators perform an action to compare two values. These values may contain integer or string data types. That means I can compare two numbers or two characters or two words. That is said to be strings. So equal, equal, triple equal, not equal, not equal, not identical. It will be very interesting to see with the example. Just have an idea. Equal means it is going to compare two numbers whether they are equal or not. The answer will be true or false. Greater than, whether 10 greater than 20. The result is true or false. Then increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators are used to perform the task of increasing or decreasing variables value. It will increment one, decrement one value. That means if it is 10, if it is incremented, it will go to 11. If it is 10, if it is decremented, then it will go to 9. Only one value is incremented or decremented. Here, there is a difference in post and pre. And it will be very interesting. We'll see with the example. Remember, increment or decrement means plus plus increment, minus minus decrement, Plus plus, it is going to increase one value. Minus minus, it is going to decrease one value. Plus increase one value, minus decrease one value. You learn up to this. Then logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. That means there will be some situation to say whether if the condition is true, I have to move for this statement. To check that condition, I can use AND or NOT XNOR. In PHP, I can directly use the word A and D. If it is AND means if the condition, all the operators will have two statements. If the two statements are true, then AND will represent the net result as true. If the given two statements are false, then the OR statement will give false. It likes your logical operators. Yes, you have not learnt logical operators. You have learnt only. So logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. String operators. Two operators are used to perform string related operations such as concatenation and concatenation assignment. One is dot, that is used to concatenate. Another one is dot equal concatenation with assignment. We'll see the difference with the example. As you know, to work PHP, we have to start exam server. So we are starting this exam server. Then you take the notepad and you type the program. So these are the starting less than question mark PHP, end tag is question mark greater than symbol. Within this we have to use the embedded PHP coding. That means we can use HTML and PHP together. So first we'll take off. We'll see the example for arithmetic operators. $x equal to 10. We'll take one variable x. A variable must start with the dollar symbol. It's compulsory in PHP. So $x equal to 10. Another variable $y equal to 20. Now we can use echo and print to print the value on the screen. I'm using echo. So echo $x plus $y. We can directly give the statement like this. I used to have the bracket, but bracket is optional only. We can use bracket, we cannot use, or that means we may not use. It's not a syntax error. So x10, y20, echo x plus y. So save the file. So default location is exam ht docs. So here we have to give a name. I'm giving a name. With the extension PHP, select all files, save. Then you take the browser. Here we have to use http:/localhost followed by the program name arithmetic.php. There is a spelling mistake. That means the given name here is different from the file name. So I'm changing it. Can you see 30? So x is 20, x is 10, y is 20, x plus y, answer is 30. So likewise we can use all the operators. If it is minus, I hope the answer will come in minus, so I'm changing this to 30. Save the file. Take this. $30 plus 20 So it is 10. Next, 30 into 20. Into means multiplication. So I am using the symbol save. So the answer is 600. If it is slash, that means 30 divided by 20. Save. Refresh. Can you see the answer? 1.5. What about modulus? It will give the remainder. So 30 divided by 20. Out of 20, the remainder is 10. So modulus symbol is used to get the remainder in a division. So we can use the arithmetic operator as per our necessity. Now we can see the comparison operator. Comparison operator means I have to compare two values or two variables. We'll compare x equal. That means I am asking whether the 30 is equal to 20. Here we can use var dump variable. I hope you remember this. It will display the data type. Okay. So here this $x equal $y will represent true or false, like a boolean data type. So I will check whether it is true or false. Yes, it's false because 30 is not equal to 20. Is it clear? Then we can ask whether $x variable is greater than $y. True, because 30 is greater than 20. So we can use another also, whether we can ask less than equal to. Surely the answer will be false, because 30 is not less than to 20. Then here we should note one thing. There is a operator double equal, that is equal operator. Another one is triple equal, that is said to be identical. There is one difference between the two operators. Now see, we can take this also as 30 and we can ask equal operator, 30 and 30. So probably the answer will be true. Am I right? So the answer is true. Yes, 30 is equal to 30. Now I am saying 30.0. That means it is a float, but 30, the value 30 is equal. Am I right? So what will be the result? It shows true, because whether it is an integer or float, both the net value is 30. This is equal operator. Then what about identical operator? Identical operator check the identity. That means it will check the data type also. Now we'll get the result. Here x30, here y30. That means as it is a whole number, both the data type will be integer. So I am asking x is identical to y. It will say true because both are integer. Yes, it is true. Now I am changing this to 30.0. It shows that this is integer, then this is float. But anyhow, the total, that means the net value is 30, but the data type differs. Identical operator will check the data type. So now it will show as false. Can you see this? This is the difference between equal operator and identical operator. Is it clear, children? You have learned arithmetic operator and comparison operator. Now we'll check logical operator. What is logical operator? Logical operator means I have to check whether 2 or 3, I have to combine and get the value. For this, I am going to use if statement. We are going to learn the if statement in separate chapter. Anyhow, have a gist. What is if? If means if within bracket or option. Here bracket is optional. If followed by a condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the statement in the if block. If block means open bracket and close bracket. Within that I can have the statements. This is the if statement working procedure. That is, if followed by a condition. If the condition is true, it will execute the statement which is inside the if. Okay. Just have that idea. Here I am giving a word as welcome. After the if, we will have another statement to print. Okay. So here I am saying as welcome to, here is a PHP program. Now here within the if we are going to use the logical operator. What is that? Logical operators are and, or, not, XOR. 4 operators are there. What are the logical operators? Means and, or, not, XOR. So we'll see what is and. And means I can have any number of conditions within if. If all the conditions are true, then the net result is true. We'll check. First condition, x equal to 30. We'll change this to 10. And I'm asking $y equal to 10. I'm asking whether x is equal to 30, y is equal to 10. And the condition is and. That means the logical operator is and. Here it has to check this condition. If the condition is true and this condition also true, it will execute what is inside the if. As per the given statement, x is 30, y is 10. So the condition should get true. So it should execute welcome to. After that it has to execute Python programming. Am I right? Can you get the output like this? Fine. Now we'll change the statement. Here I am asking whether x is equal to 30 and y also equal to 30. Then what will be the condition? X equal to 30 is true. One condition is true. Y equal to 30 is false. One condition is false. If any one of the condition is false, net result also false. That means the if statement will not execute. Then what will be the answer? Only PHP programming. Shall we check? Can you see that it's changed? Because this statement is not executed because this condition is, net condition is false. This is AND operator. What about OR operator? OR operator is any one of the condition is true, net result is true. If all the condition is true, net result is true. If all the condition is false, then net result is false. We'll check. Here one condition is true. Right? Here one condition is wrong, but I will get the output because any one of the condition is true, then net result is true in R. Can you see this? Now, if both the conditions are false, it will not show it. Sorry, because y is 10, right? So we change to 20. Yes, now it is right. Both the conditions are false. So this statement is not executed. This is OR. What about XNOR? It's little bit different. What does that means? If both the conditions are true, net result to true. If both the conditions are false, net result false. If any one of the condition is true, net result true. I'll repeat again. XNOR means I can give any number of conditions here. I can change this as XNOR. What is the working principle of XOR is, if both the conditions are true, net result false. If both the conditions are false, net result false. If any one of the condition is true, net result true. We'll check. Here both the conditions are false. Now we'll ask to execute. Yes, only this statement is executed. If both the conditions are true, then also here the answer will get false. So this statement will not be executed. Am I right? Now we'll make one statement as false and one statement as true. This is true, this is false. Now we will get the answer of this line and also this line. Save, refresh. Is it clear? Got it? Now, what about not? Not is just opposite. If the condition is true, output is false. If the condition is false, output is true. That means, if I am asking x equal to 30, then what is the answer? What is the condition? What is the comparative operator result? True. Okay. So I'll make it as not here. This is the symbol for not. So when the symbol is not here, x equal to 30 means true. By making it as opposite, then it is false. So this statement will not execute. Is it clear? I'll repeat again. Equal to, this is equal statement. So x equal to 30 means net result true. I am asking to change it, not. So net result is true, making to ulta. So that means it has to go to reverse. Then the condition is false. So this statement is not executed. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now, next operator is string operators. String operators are dot and dot equal. So what is that? Welcome. Then another string was okay. Two words. X is welcome, Y is to PHP. Now, echo $x dot $y. Okay, so I'm using only dot. What it will show? Can you see this? Both are concatenated. It joined the words. But now I'm asking to print x. We'll make it to print in the top. $x $y. If I want to be in the next line, I have to use a break statement. So echo break. Do you remember this? It is a HTML statement to form the new line. So print x, then break, then print y, then print x dot y. Here also I need a break, then only I can see the clear output, or else both are coming in the same line. Can you see this? First x, that is welcome. Next y, that is to PHP. Then x dot y, both are joined. Okay. Now we see the difference. Do you have the doubt why I am using the double slash? This is said to be comment line. Comment line means the line will be in the program, but it is not interpreted. That means it is not changed to the coding. The compiler or the interpreter will not consider this line for the conversion. It is only for the documentation purpose. So I am making it comment means it will not come for the output. So $x dot equal this operator. Okay, we are using this operator, dot equal $y. Okay, what will happen now means the word in the Y is joined with X. That now X will change to welcome to PHP. We'll ask this line to print again, then you will understand the difference. Do you understand the point? First, X is having welcome, Y is having to PHP. Okay. Here I am asking to print X and Y. It will print welcome, then PHP. Now, we are making a concatenation here. This is said to be concatenation assignment operator. After that, we are asking to print X and Y. Okay. Now we are going to see that. Can you see this first X is welcome alone, then Y is to PHP alone. After dot equal, X has changed to welcome to PHP. Both the words are joined to form a new line because of this operation. X value has changed. Here it is not changed. That is the difference between dot and dot equal operator. Is it clear, children? So we have learnt all the operators which is given in your book. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel to watch the upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a good day.